It doesn't matter what something was designed for, it matters what something is used for. And the vast majority of guns, just like cars, are used for lawful purposes. Criminal use of a particular gun should not undermine my right to own that gun any more than criminal use of a particular car. If drunk drivers were, say, more likely to get in drunk driving motor vehicle accidents in a Honda Civic, it should not undermine your right to own a Honda Civic. And I can't think of anyone who would claim that, despite the fact that you don't even have a constitutional right to a car. This is also an unfair question because it posits that ownership of a thing implies culpability when that thing is used for harm. The reality is there are costs and benefits associated with every right and every liberty.